Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Abstract shape background design in Photoshop using custom shapes. First, I open Photoshop and create a wide canvas so I have enough space to work freely. Now I pick the custom shape tool and start placing large abstract shapes across the canvas. I duplicate the main shape, resize it slightly, and move it behind to build depth. Next, I adjust the colors carefully so one shape becomes the visual focus. Then I lower the opacity of background shapes to keep everything clean. Finally, I zoom out and fine-tune spacing until the background looks smooth and balanced.